Hello, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a guest book cover. As you can see here, I have a guest book. I believe this is a 8.25 by 6, but the dimensions will be on the screen for the custom dimensions that you'll need on canva.com. So for this demonstration, you will need to go to canva.com, and again, the dimensions will be on the screen for you to know what the custom dimensions are. Alright, so here we go. So I already laid this out for you to see on what the cover looks like. As you can see here, I put a black border on the edges, and it's basically just to indicate the bleed of this book, and basically that's just a guideline for me to not go over the edge of these of the black border area. In the middle, as you can see, I put a red bar just to indicate the actual spine, and I just put the white to indicate where I can put the design. For this demonstration, it's going to be a really easy guest book, so I'm just going to put a text design. Once you have the layout part done, that's the hardest part, but after that's done, you can really pretty much design it however you wish. But for this video, it's just going to be a simple text message, and it's going to just be a title that says guest book. So I'm going to go to title on the left here, so I'm going to press text, and I'm going to go to add a heading. Once I go to once I press add a heading, I'm gonna type in guest book. So this is my guest book right here. So this was pretty simple, right? Once that's finished, I'm gonna just make this white because this is gonna be the actual color of the font. I'm gonna use a black cover for this template. So I'm gonna make this white, and I'm gonna make the cover black. I'm gonna make the spine black as well. Once it's done, I can also just give it a good font that I want to use. So I'm going to go to font on the top left, as you can see here. And I'm just going to choose a font that I like. So, alright, this is a font that I've chosen. I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to make it slightly bigger. And this is how you make a guest book for your guest book cover.